This is a kit here that does your own eye exams. It's got the glasses. It checks this. You put the lenses in here. You know, whatever. If you're nearsighted, farsighted. This right here, goes in and out for your pupil distance. You can turn it in and out. And on the side here, this adjusts. And it also checks for stigmatism. Here, this is a aluminum case, I believe. Looks pretty nice. And then these right here are for like stigmatism. These here are like if you're for nearsighted. These are like if you're farsighted. And you just stick these lenses here. Let me show you one. You just stick these lenses into the frame there. Pretty simple process. And then it's got degrees on it. That'd be like for your stigmatism. It doesn't matter if you're just farsighted or nearsighted, but there's, shows you on the internet how to do it. Yeah. How to check for your stigmatism and how to, if you have stigmatism, you might know or may not know. But anyway, I can leave the link in the description down below. I think all this, counting the eye chart and everything, was like $200. But you can kind of put these on, and you can see if you can see out of them or not. For whatever you're trying to do. They don't have like bifocals. I guess you could probably change them for bifocals or for whatever you're doing here for reading, and then if you want to see far off, and then you would know exactly what you might want for bifocals. But this wooden case here is pretty nice. It's here's the like if you're nearsighted. They're all glass. Got glass, metal. It's not like here's the stigmatism. They got numbers on them. I don't know if you read them on my smartphone here, but that's about it, I guess, on this. Thanks for watching.